Hi guys, if you missed part one, this is a Stegosaurus wooden automaton that I've had for several years, and I picked it up in a charity shop, so it was already old when I picked it up. It's been up in my loft for quite a while. Found that I'd left the batteries in it, which wasn't good. I think it's also got damp up there. It didn't work. It made noises, but it didn't walk. So I've taken the battery and controller pack apart because it's sound activated. It's got a little microphone there. When you clap your hands or whatever, that makes it go, but it didn't. It made noises. Looking at it closely, let's just go in close. There is quite a bit of, if we can get it in focus, quite a bit of dark corrosion around some of the terminals. Where my thumb is, there's a transistor there. That's something like 33Y or something. That one was very dark and brown. I have cleaned it. The resistor just at the top of my thumb, nearest this microphone, that one actually appeared to be bubbling when it had the battery on it, with the moisture around it. So I think there's a problem there. I've just desoldered where my top finger is just there. That was directly soldered to the battery terminal. Up there somewhere. So I've desoldered that so we can look at the back of the circuit board. And that doesn't look very happy. Up around there. There might be some tracks dead there. 2010, the date on it. Yeah, I think I'll get my USB microscope out and have a look at those tracks, but that looks to me like we might have some dead tracks there. And certainly some more corrosion. Just as a temporary measure, I've put a separate battery lead on there. I've got a small LiPo battery on there, which will be 4.2 volts, and 3 of the AAA batteries would have given us 4.5 volts, so it should be about right. Switch it on. Nothing. That was unexpected. So I've tested it before I did that and it worked. That is a surprise. Check nothing silly's happened, like me LiPo batteries leads have come loose. 4.17. Live comes straight across to there. Then when we switch it on, it should be going to there. Why am I getting nothing there? That doesn't make any sense. Unless I've got an incredibly bad solder joint there. A bit intermittent, isn't it? Yeah, it's getting there. So that looks like the switch is playing up. Yeah, all right, switch is playing up. Yeah, switch is definitely playing up. I'm putting my meter across the switch in the amps position, so it's actually acting like a short circuit. So, switch is playing up amongst other things. Not surprising, if the rest of it's all corroded, then contacts on the switch are likely to be pretty poor as well. Don't know if I've got another switch the right size. We could just temporarily short them out. And just plug it in and out to operate it. Yeah, I might do that. Temporary short it out. I've connected it up to the motor. So if I just short out the switch rather than trying to use the switch, so it may be that we haven't got enough voltage there now to actually run it. It's trying to run. So we're running it on 4.2 volts when it's expecting at least 4.5. That certainly looks more positive than it was earlier. We're nowhere near working, but we're a step forwards, aren't we? So we've got a temporary battery on there, 4.2 volts, fully charged. It's expecting 4.5 volts from 3 AAA batteries, so we're a bit low on voltage. We've clearly got a fault with the on-off switch because it doesn't work. But if I short across the two terminals, we have movement. I suspect we may only be getting movement in one direction. But it's more than we had. So I'm going to have a break now because our pizzas are due to arrive shortly. So I'll turn the soldering iron off before I forget, and we may come back later. Well, I was going to stop. Our pizzas have arrived. I just thought I would demonstrate. So I've put a big loop on there so I can't forget what I've done. You can probably see it. So it's trying to walk. It's clearly not walking very well. That could be the battery's not powerful enough. It could be that the transistors aren't giving enough power, because there's lots of poor looking contacts on there now. It doesn't operate if I clap my hands, so it looks like the contacts on the little speaker have given way as well. Speaker, microphone. But if I short across the back of them, That has the same effect as shouting into the microphone. So we've made some progress, and I have got to stop now and have my pizza. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.